Spartans, how we doing? Day 27 today. Coach Cambio, Spartan 30 squat challenge. I told you yesterday we're going to start building off some single leg progressions. Well, here we are. This time I'm off the ground. Yesterday you were actually holding on to something, lowering yourself down on one leg and coming back up, kind of finding your own depth and really working that level of, wherever you're comfortable, I guess. For me, I'm ready to start working on this. I'm going to start from the ground. This is a great way. It's kind of like you're just sitting, playing with your kids. You watch children, they sit like this all the time as well. So I'm actually just relaxed here, okay? I'm, chilled out, having some fun. What I'm going to do is, very simply, stand up, using one leg. Go right back down, nice and controlled. Now I'm back into that crouch squatting position, doing some things, okay? And I'm just going to stand up. If you need to put this leg down, go ahead. If you need to keep it there for balance, go right ahead. Our goal is to come off the ground. Again, I'll go from the side so you can see some different levels, okay? If you need to start higher, fine. If you are comfortable getting nice and low, my butt's almost touching my heel, great. Stand up, come back down. If you want to start here, come up, stand down, that's fine, okay? From the other side, okay? Again, practice being low and relaxed. Counterbalance. Come up. If you need this foot, go ahead. I think I'm on number 2 on my left leg. So pick your height, wherever it is, and go. There you have it, Spartans. 30 single leg squats from the floor. Find your depth, see what you can do with it. Hashtag Coach Cambio, hashtag Spartan30. Aroo!